We just, you have to kind of let people know about, whether it's government officials, police, or just the public, that we have rights in America, and that's what it's about. It's about education.
As long as he has that fishing pole in his hand and he says he's going fishing, he can carry a firearm on him.
Okay.
An open firearm?
Open carry firearm.
Yeah.
That's correct.
And I want to give a huge shout out to Green Side Up Sprinkler Repair out of Port Orange, Florida. They reached out to me and they sent me a little card, and thank you so much, because I know it was inside that card, so it was greatly appreciated. And then I also want to say Wayne H. out of California. I think you know who you are. I sent you an email saying I would say this, and you will see this again. Thank you to both of you. Thank you to everybody that has ever donated. If I haven't, I'm trying to get back into saying thank you to those that donate. Sometimes I just get so many, it's just hard to keep up with, but I'm going to do my best to make sure I start doing it more. So I thank you to both of you. Links are in the description to Green Side Up Sprinkler Repair. Links are in the description. Check them out. If you're in the Port Orange area or the Volusia County area, reach out to them. They're a huge supporter of the channel, and I'm sure they're doing good work out there as well. So what's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and I just got the body cams from Cocoa, Florida. If you don't remember, I'm going to play a little clip just to kind of refresh you. Hey, calm down, buddy. With ARs, you had yours pointed at me.
I never pointed it at you.
It was not in a safe manner. I'll tell you that right now. That after seeing this video, I told, the officer I was going to get the body cams, and we were going to see exactly what happened. So this is going to be a two-part video. The first part is going to be the people that come from I believe it's from the west side, or the west side of the entrance of this boat ramp, and they start heading east towards in my direction. The second one is going to be the one directly that I spoke to, that I questioned what he did. So wait for the first one. Let's get some views on that. Let's get those thumbs up on there, because something, this is all going to make sense once the second part comes out. And links will be in the description, all that good stuff. And yeah, not telling you what to do, I'm just saying the links are in the description. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. I can't say thank you enough for everybody for getting me up to 50,000 subscribers. I can't say thank you enough for all the emails that I've been getting for places to come. So I'm starting to compile them, and I'm starting to look at, there's 2 areas that I've been noticing. So that's going to be coming. Don't forget, on November 11th, on Veterans Day, we will be going back to Titusville. That link will be in the description as well. Click on the link. It'll tell you where you're going. That's going to be on November 11th at 10 a.m. We're going to have a barbecue as well. So I can't say thank you enough to everybody. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. I can't say thank you enough to everybody. And let's get into this video. Soliaker, deuces.
They're stating he's down by the boat ramps. I see somebody on the far end. White t-shirt, black male. Yeah, because he's fishing. Yeah, I know. I copy. We're me and 83 are coming up the entrance. What? Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I see. He just walked down the rocks, right?
Thank you. And yours, sir? Right there, man. This is my crab net, dude. I was out here trying to do some. That's my bait for my crab, and I'm fishing. Under the law, I have to have a fishing license for this. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of you. Your name and badge number, please, sir. Name and badge number, please. Please. Thank you. Yours.
Lavelle, 64.
Thank you. I can't hear you from that distance. Please, sir, can you get closer so I can ID you? I haven't done anything to anybody, dude. I came out here to go fishing. Dude, I am scared as fuck right now because you guys are fucking out here. Dude, this is not cool, man. Not cool.
you have your fishing license to produce?
I can show you a fishing license, but you can't even run my fishing license. Get FWC out here. Get FWC. I'm not auditing. I'm out here fishing, dude. Stop lying. Stop being a conspirer, dude.
Have a good one, brother.
Yeah. See you later. What? I need all of you. I need an incident report number. I'm not a threat.
I knew that's what I was talking about.